Okay, let's see some of more things. Let's suppose you want to create an opening in this wall, right? So here you can see the option of wall opening, right? So let me switch to, let's say, right view. Here I want to create an opening, so I will go for wall opening, click on this point, right? And you can switch this to wireframe as well, or keep it shaded only, it is okay, right? You need to select wall first. Go here, let's suppose on this wall you want to create opening, select it, click on this wall opening, right? And here let's suppose you want to create a opening like this, right? So you can create a rectangular opening inside your wall like this. Here you can say this opening, right? So I have created an opening here. If you want to delete this opening, you can select it and delete, right? If you want to change the dimension of this opening, you can drag it like this, right? Here as well, and this one. Click here, switch to your 3D view, zoom this, and you will see a opening at this part. So if you want to delete this opening, you can select it and simply press delete from your keyboard, right? So this is how you can create a opening. Here we have multiple opening as well. I will discuss all of these as later, right?